Welcome back. This is the Pumpkin Torture Makeover Edition. Sorry, that was a mouthful. And Abigail will explain how this works.
And so in this video, we're going to be using this kit called Pumpkin Punches. It's to where you can be able to punch into your pumpkins using these tools. It's a lot more easy and really fun to do. So there's dimples, there's like mouths and different faces that you can be able to mount onto your pumpkin. You get to use these, which is a lot of fun, and hope you enjoy it.
We also are going to be using, as you can tell, this big thing of knives over here to help cut and de-gut the pumpkins. That's been fun. So, yeah.
So this week, I actually got to get my braces off. Yay! So it was a lot of fun, it was a lot of fun being able to get my braces off.
Actually getting the braces off, maybe not the fun part, but actually having the braces off is fun.
Yeah. So it's been a long process, but I'm thankful that I was able to get them on, and really thankful that I was able to get them off. So I got to chew gum for the first time yesterday. Blew some really big bubbles. That was really fun. And so I used to have to wear bands, and I just don't know what to do with myself not having to put those on anymore. So I'm really glad that I can have them off now. So yay!
Well, I forgot to mention, but my name is McKinnley, and this is
Abigail.
And we like doing kits and fun different craft things, and also some cringy puns that we like to make up ourselves or find some online or something. But hope you guys like.
And so, as you can tell, we are wearing different clothes in our next, in a couple minutes. We got so excited of using this kit that we just forgot to do a really good intro. Yes. So, you'll see, we're wearing different clothing, but we'll be starting cutting these in a few minutes.
Well, we hope you. We got these pumpkins. Never mind, I keep forgetting what I'm about to say. Well, I lost my train of thought. Well, the pumpkins came from a pumpkin patch and somehow ended into our arms of the Pumpkin Torture Chamber Edition. So, it's a jungle out there, but we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you'll be able to do it with a friend. And, hope you guys had as much fun as we did. And please enjoy our video.
Yay! Boom! And we're back. So we just carved out the cuts for our pumpkin, and so as you can see, we cut off the tops. When you cut off the lid of the pumpkin, you want to do it at an angle, so that way the lid won't go straight down. And then you can also put the little angle, so that way you know exactly where to put the lid on. So it went good. So we carved it out. So we carved out all the stuff in it.
It's gutless now.
And then you want to kind of carve out the inside to where you're going to be punching the stuff in. So that way it's easier for you to be able to do it. It's less work. So
never thought I'd find enjoyment of de-gutting something.
Dun, da, da.
Yeah. Learn something new every day.
So, let's get started.
Let's get punching. Whatever.
So, I'm gonna get my tools all together.
Yeah, we're using these cookie cutter shape things. Pumpkin things.
Pumpkin punches.
Yeah. That's exactly what I was saying.
Pumpkin punches that you can look up online. And it's just an easier, fun way to be able to carve pumpkins.
It's kind of like a shortcut. This is something that exactly works for me because I'm not very good at drawing things. I don't know. Some people are. Have you seen some of the pumpkins online? They look like masterpieces, man. I bet they spent hours on it though.
So I'm going to try punching.
That was not me. That was the chair.
So for this, what you want to do is you want to turn your pumpkin onto its side, so that way you can be able to get a good angle on it.
This one, this knife, I think is supposed to help you thin out your pumpkin, so it'll be easier whenever you, basically. I'm going for a more, surprise kind of face, and you're going for what?
Kind of a smiley face one?
Alright.
So, that actually pretty good. It's a little crooked, but that was just my fault. Go for it, go. Keep going, don't stop. Go, okay, stop.
Oh, now you tell me to stop.
Because you're going in. Alright, now I'm going to be adding
Sides are not even.
my other smile piece to it. So I'm going to be adding it.
Can you see it? I see the face. Just look at it. Isn't it beautiful?
Oh, and for the pieces, there's like a little part that marks to where that's the part you should be hitting it on. So that's where we're hitting on the mark.
Do we just leave it in?
These are really fun.
Oh yeah, we just leave it in.
I'm going to stand up a little bit.
I may have messed up on mine, but that's okay. Pointy sharps go down, not up. Got it. That was kind of like, oh, I'm making a dent in mine.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
No, like mine's like starting to deform.
So, whenever you're doing this, you want to...
Pliers.
So whenever you are
So weird.
pounding the punch things in, you want to be able to leave it like at least an inch or two, so that way whenever you take them out, you can have actually room to be able to do that. So I'm going to do the same thing I did to that side, so it's going so far.
It hasn't even pierced the surface yet. Having fun.
So here's
This is what mine looks like.
This is what mine looks like. So
It's coming.
So I'm just going to be doing now. So that's my smile face thing. I'm going to be doing my nose.
I feel so powerful. Not really.
I'm going to do the nose. Whoop. No. I'm perfect. Like there's nothing coming out. So I'm now going to put in the eye.
Ta-da! Ta-da! There's the mouth. Wrong one. There. So, I don't know, whenever, if you get this thing, there's like a tiny little line up here. That way it's supposed to be facing upwards. So, yeah, stop teaching. Having fun.
Splendid times here. Wait, stop.
You're so funny.
Okay.
This is therapeutic as well. Just
So,
get it all out.
This is how this one looks right now. So I'm going to add the dimples and the eyebrows.
Didn't know there could be so many facial features to a pumpkin. Yeah. Ta-da! Isn't it?
Oh, I did not expect this to happen.
Now we're doing the eyebrows.
One eyebrow.
One eyebrow. I wonder if this pumpkin has a headache. We should name it. We're giving it life. Mine will be Punch, because I'm using Punch pumpkin thing. And it's actually kind of cute to name it Punch.
I think I'll do mine Ken, or that way Punch Ken.
Catchy.
Kind of works.
I think I'm finished. Good job. Oh, that's so cute. Mine, on the other hand, looks like it died or something. We're giving it life. Mine, on the other hand, looks like it died or something.
Well, pumpkins, they might not look as you pictured in your mind.
I love it!
But I mean, they're just a masterwork.
Make sure they go through. Just making sure like that they go through the full layer of the pumpkin. Just make sure that they go all the way through. If you can see it, I don't know if you'll be able to see it kind of peer pierce through the layer, and that's sure. And if you take these out and it's not coming out, you can maybe like cut it or something to make sure that the whole layer gets out.
So this is mine, what it looks like with the things in. So now I'm going to be taking pliers to it and taking it out with the pliers.
Do we look intimidating? I'm so sorry. This is like a dentist appointment when they get in and it's no mercy. Struggling? Yeah. Okay. I got it! Do I want to try something?
Well, mine didn't go through all the way.
Getting dirty.
So, I made a mistake and mine
Getting the special tool.
didn't go through exactly all the way. So I'm going to be using a knife. So as you can see, I took out the eye.
Whoa.
And it didn't go all the way through. So you can just use a knife sometimes.
Okay. This beautiful thing right here. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness. Wait. We just getting started. It's exactly like a cookie cutter. This makes me so happy. Giving things life. Okay.
Here, I'm going to try punching this one back in. I don't think it went all the way.
Oh, wait, Abigail, you might want to step back to start and
second.
Okay. I got it. Do I get a prize or something? I feel so proud of myself.
McKinnley.
It just speaks to me. Okay, we're doing this again. Making the eyes, so making the eyes. Standing up. That's right. That's lovely.
So, really good job, Kinley. So what happened was I didn't punch it all the way through, and so it took a little bit longer to get it out, but I got it. So I'm going to punch my other one a little bit more.
So make sure it goes through all the way. It pierces the layer in the pumpkin. We learned this the hard way, okay?
So ta-da! Got an eyebrow. I'm going to whack in the other eyebrow a little bit more.
This poor pumpkin deserves better than me.
It's just me.
Don't roll over my toe, Abigail. You're getting off. Like, oh, that was my toe.
That was your seat, though.
I wonder if this is what plucking eyebrows was like. My eyebrows didn't go all the way through. These.
Well, my eyebrows are a little bit different, but I mean,
Oh, they're so.
hey, they're a little different. Okay. So, here's one eyebrow and here's the other. They're a little bit different, but that's okay. We're all a little different.
I may have just made this worse. How is that possible? Okay. Are you ready?
No.
How are you just on the eyes? I finished mine. Look at it.
So, what I figured out is I did not scoop out my insides all the way, and so it made it a lot harder for the punching to go through.
I wish I could like draw on this or something. I could get like add eyelashes or something to it and give it a little goatee or something. Not all of those. Just yeah. Give the eyebrows some nice facial features. Make sure they go all the way through.
Well, this wasn't on purpose, but look at the eye. It looks really cool.
It's fantastic.
I'm gonna cut it away, but I just wanted to show you that. Mine's a little bit thicker than McKinley's, so it's a little bit harder for the push things to go through.
You want some help?
I'll
show you guys at the end of my excuse me. I'll show you the end result. Oh my goodness, it's so perfect. You just gotta stop touching it. Just keep touching it and touching it, hoping it'll get better. No. I like it, Kinley.
going so far?
I think it's fabulous. It's its own human. It's individual. Whoop. So I was deep gutting, and I was like, "Hey, kid, you got guts." Hey, you could use like this snot and stuff, or this guts, and you could just go, "Achoo," and then just be like, "Blah."
So it's coming
That'd be
along.
kind of fun. Ta-da!
So,
Oh. Feel better?
I did.
I'm kind of scaring myself with the knife.
The one time it comes out.
It's hard to get these things out. Just a little. Boop. Let it go. Let it go.
I want to get
It doesn't need to be perfect. Just let it go. I'll try to get it. Ooh. Satisfying.
Oh, McKinnley!
Ow. That hurt. Wouldn't hurt. Wind it. Went into my nails.
You want to get that one up?
Ow. My fingers.
This is so much fun. I'm having a really good time. This is a lot easier than carving it, actually. So
Just wait. You'll see us carve it. Betty, and you guys can say, or maybe not say, but which one do you guys think is better? 3, 2, 1. Feels like we were cheating kind of with the carver things, but look at it! Look at that beautiful face! Woo! Mine looks like it died or something. I don't know what's going on with it.
It's so cute.
Okay, wait, let me see yours.
Let's have them meet each other.
Yeah. Punch and Ken. Oh my goodness, yours looks like oddly happy. You're a pumpkin.
Want to be my friend? Want to be my friend?
And then I just go. That's its response. Well, this was an interesting experience for sure. It was very fun, but it was fun to have, experience. What would you say?
Well, I would say for me, I did not scoop inside my pumpkin enough to where it'd be easier to do the pumpkins. So I would suggest to make sure you scoop it out really well so it comes out easier. If not, it's totally fine. You can just use a knife and be able to still get it out. So I really enjoyed it. It took the stress off of trying to get it, try to figure out exactly what you want to do. So it's really fun. They have a lot of different shapes and designs that you can do.
And good variety, thankfully.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was good fun hitting things. And the link will be down in the description down below if you guys are interested in trying this out for a new experience and a good bonding time over hammering things. So yeah, and also degutting things. It's a good bonding experience. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video because we sure did. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.